If you are still holding a dart in your skirt for corset, skirt and blouse, and any skirt at all, this video is for you. So let's draft our skirt without dart, which is called dartless skirt. So the first thing we are going to do, we are going to divide our hip by 4. Whatever you have, we are marking it. Take note you are not adding any allowance to get your border point or your box. So we're just going to connect all the points together just like this, as you see in the video. So we'll be taking our waist to our hip and then we'll connect it to give us a straight line at the hip point. Then we'll also take our waist to our knee. So this is my waist to my knee. I'm just going to mark it on both sides so that we have a straight line connected together. So I'm just going to connect both points now. So I'll connect the point together just like this. So let me label it. This is my hip line, my knee line, and my waist line. So the next thing we're going to do, we're going to divide our waist by 4. Whatever you have, you mark plus 1 inches for the dart. So once we are done, we're just going to connect from the waist to the hip. Take note, because we divided this bust with our hip, so that this is the exact hip measurement. So we're connecting the waist to the hip like this. So it's going to give us this curve. So at the knee line, what you do, you minus 2 inches. So the maximum is 2 inches, or you can also use 1.5. So I'm using 1.5, and then I'll connect to the hip line just like this. And then take our dart. Your dart is the nipple to nipple divided by 2. So mine is 8 divided by 2 is 4 inches. So I'm going to mark 4 inches down to the point of my dart. So once I'm done, I'm going to give you the straight line. I'm using 5 inches for the front dart. So for the back, you can use less. You can use 4 inches. Okay, so I'm using 5. You can use 5 or 6 inches. So for this dart for the front, I'm using 5 inches. So I'm just going to connect a straight line to meet where my 5 inches end, like this. So note that we added 1 inches for the dart, so we are going to take half on both sides, which is 0.5 inches on both sides. So I'll be taking half on both sides, and then I'll connect down to my 5 inches for the dart, just like this. So this is our dart. The next thing we'll be doing now, we'll come down by 1 inches at the waistline. So this is just to shaping the front so that it does not bush up. It will sit very well at the waistline. So we'll come down by 1 inches at the waistline, and then we'll connect to the other end of the skirt, just like this. So this is our front, very simple and easy. So let's cut. In order to eliminate our dart, we are going to cut one side of our dart, and then we'll flip it to the other side, or you fold it in. That's how to eliminate your dart. So for me, I cut at one side of my dart, and then I just flip it to the other side to close my dart. So once you're done, you can tape it down with your masking tape. So I'll be using my masking tape to tape it down to close or eliminate my dart. So I'm done closing the dart. So your skirt should be looking like this. Once you're done, just connect the 1 inches line again so that there will not be any excess. So you reconnect the 1 inches down for at the waistline again. So this is our skirt. Our skirt is looking very fine. So this high is going to come out. So let me just cut it out. So this is our front skirt. So all you do is just place on your fabric like this and add every allowance that you need. And this is just your skirt. You don't need to hold that. It's going to be fitted and it's going to come out really well. You can use it for your corset. You can also use it for your skirt and blouse. Please, if this video is useful, like and share. Thank you for watching.